Money, trading, whatever you are doing, it's all a psychological thing. Don't get me wrong, everybody wants to make money, but the only way you can make money is if you master your mindset. And let's talk about dang, my bad. I just burped in y'all ear. My fault. But I did that today. Y'all probably just heard me twice. Let me fix that. But I did that today. I mastered my own skill of trading and how to hold back and be patient, and that allowed me to make like around $6,000 to $8,000 today off of paper trading. Don't get me wrong, y'all probably like, wow, paper trading. I know, but it's a stepping stone because I told myself today if I can get a winning trade, which I didn't lose today. I took like 3 trades, I didn't lose, but if I can get me a winning day today, I will open my trading account, not my demo. I will open my trading account back up. I'll restart on the prop firm because I blew my account, and I'll restart from the beginning because I was in the mental state of like, dang, I keep losing and I really need this money, but it hit me. We focus on making the money when we should focus on the process of making Dow money, and that is what we did today. We went through an excellent trade, and this trade was amazing. Now it probably look confusing because my chart is very dark and these indicators, but these indicators right here saved my life. I'm gonna keep it a book. Power 3 indicator, of course, everybody that trades, like every YouTuber probably has this Power 3 indicator. I'm gonna be honest, I really don't use it like that, but other people do. I don't really necessarily use it. I watch the whole chart in itself. It just tells you the hour candle. Like you can see right now on the hour candle we bullish, but that doesn't matter. What really matters is this indicator right here. This indicator helped me set my take profit. You know what I'm saying? This is where I set my take profit because I knew that we were going to be bullish today. I had a feeling since Saturday. I had this feeling since Saturday. I couldn't wait. I woke up this morning. I was like, man, you know what? I'm ready to trade. Like I said, Saturday night. I promise you. Saturday I woke up. I was like, let me look at the chart. I marked out a bullish markup structure or whatever you want to call it. And I didn't even, like this morning, I prayed, thank God, shout out to God. Nigga didn't even brush his teeth this morning. I got right in the charts. I don't call me stanky, whatever. I got to the money this morning. That's all that matter. But let me break this beautiful trade down for y'all boys that we took. I'm going to show y'all boys a live trading session as well, like where I traded on the screen. I screen recorded all of it, but we're gonna talk about why, and we're gonna break it down. Then no, you know what? We should just show the beginning part of it first, right? Then we should break it down. This should be it right here. Nah, this is the second trade I took. Where's the first? Here we go. First trade. This was in the span of like 20 minutes. I had 5 contracts in it. I had both ES. See, I was up $8,000 today. You know what I'm saying? I was up a cool 8 bands. A nice little 8 bands. And as you can see later, like, hold on. I hopped in the ES trade as well. And I was watching, this was early in the morning, by the way, like around 7:30. But this was probably at 8 o'clock in the morning, where this time frame where we looking at. But I was watching ES and NASDAQ. I was in 2 trades at the same time. As you can see, it's a paper trading at the bottom left. Don't try to cancel me, my nigga. I'm going to keep it a buck with you 100,000. You feel me? Every single time. But yeah, we ended up selling out here at 8,000. And then we got in later, to finish it off. But it was originally set up to here for $15,000. If you were able to get in and put 5 contracts in, and you would have took this exact trade, my nigga, you would have made $15,000 today. I don't know why I put my hands up like that. But yeah, let's talk about the reason why though. The reason why, okay? Like I said, I already had a feeling we was going to be bullish. The reason I felt like we were going to be bullish is because if you peep here, we dumped that Friday. We just had a huge dumping day. Just dump. And after you get finished pooping on the toilet, what do you have to do? You usually have to stand up. You know what I'm saying? You have to stand up and flush the toilet. You feel me? So I had a feeling that we were going to go back up. We were standing up here. You feel? So on this New York session, as you can see, we consolidated and then we kind of broke structure here, kinda, but not really. Then the market closed, and then they opened, and then boom, we had a huge counter right here. Now we set up a order block, right? So if we go back in time, if we rewind, here we go. If we rewind right here. This is where I woke up and seen. I woke up and seen this candle right here. Oh no. It wasn't this candle. It was that blue one, that first blue candle. Dump. It hit this order block and then boom. Okay. I got in at, I'm not even gonna lie, I got in at this candle right here. This blue one right here. I got in at this candle. And I was just mad confident today. That is the main thing I took is confidence and patience out of your what's the name. Because I knew we were going back up because of London's and Asia highs. It doesn't make sense why London and Asia would have highs. Because look, if we look back here, Asia, they were all dumping. We were steady dumping. And Asia and London would do the same thing. They would dump. And then what comes after Asia and London? New York. So I knew for a fact that New York was going to bump. It was going to push up. You know what I'm saying? Like we was in our standing up stage. So let me turn this indicator off because it is hard to tell. But this is where I set my take profit at London's. Let me make sure to record. Why do it do that? Oh, no, we good. No, my bad. Okay. I thought it did something else. My bad. We on the MacBook right now. You typing off a laptop. But it's cool though. Because we're going to make millions off of this thing. All right, let me stop playing. But yeah, okay. My mindset here. All right. London set my take profit at London's high. And then I had my stop loss just below this order block. And then we also had an SMT here. We swept low. NQ didn't sweep the lows, but I'm pretty sure ES did. Yep, ES took lows and and NQ did not. Okay, and we had a liquidity sweep here, a very small liquidity sweep, but we had some liquidity, and I bought in. So if we're gonna click buy, let me see. We're gonna do 5 because I put in 5 orders. We're gonna click buy here. You feel me? And we're gonna have our take profit all the way up here, which will set us. Well, it set me at 15,000, but I got in at a better entry spot. But this doesn't matter. It don't matter. We had a stop. I didn't even have a stop loss. My stop loss was really trailing. You get what I'm saying? And yeah, boom. You get what I'm saying? This was at 7:30 in the morning, so pre-market. And I was like, okay, we're gonna be bullish all day. So we can go and play this out. My mindset here. I seen we kept going up, go up again, up, and then I marked this area out right here because I seen that we might have some resistance right here, and that is what we did because we hit this mark, and then boom, we came back down. But I knew we had a bullish order block, so boom, after this bullish order block right here. And this is opening market. This is when the market opened for New York time. When we came down to this bullish order block, I knew we was going to bump again. But my stop loss was like right here for the first take profit. My stop loss, no, I was trailing. So like I said, I was trailing my stop loss and woo. So I got taken out. But I hopped back in when this 5-minute fair value gap was made right here. This is where you see it. Boom. Fair value gap right here. So this candle came in. It barely hit. It didn't even hit it, to be honest. But I hopped back in because I seen it was just going to be like, forget this fair value gap. We going up to the moon. And that is what it did. And later on, we hit take profit right here. You know what I'm saying? Boom, take profit. Cool. It would have been 15, but, you know what I'm saying? It don't really matter. And, of course, main things, if you are new to trading, one of the main things you want to do, always watch the pairs. You feel me? Always watch. They not really necessarily pairs, but whatever is happening on ES is going to happen later on NQ. You know what I'm saying? So I seen that ES took a huge dump, but NQ didn't because it's slower than ES. But ES took a dump and then boom, it pushed back up. So I was like, okay, I'm finna get back in. That's the only I knew this trade was going to win, but the only reason I hopped back in is because I seen that ES was pushing back up for the upside. As you can see, I marked this out early, Like I had it was gonna go back down and push back up. I already marked it. I was very confident in this trade today, and that is the main thing about when you are in the market. That is the main thing you have to do. You have to be confident. You know what I'm saying? You cannot hop in the market and be scared to lose money. If you are scared of the process of making and losing money, you will be broke. I'm just keeping in the buck with you. You know what I'm saying? I'm keeping in the buck 50. A nigga has never lied. I will never lie to you guys. It's no point in me lying because my nigga, I'm trying to get rich too. You feel me? That's the best way to get the audience is to be authentic and be truthful with you. Now, I'm gonna keep it a buck. Like I said I was gonna go back into my trading account. I was gonna start my trading account, my funded futures account again if I won this trade today. And like I said, we've won. It was a beautiful trade. Let me look because I was so confident. I would have put my whole 3 contracts in from my funded futures. I would have put that in. Now let's see how much we would have made. Which you shouldn't just do this for the money, guys. Let's not do it like that. We learn. But if we was just here, if this was on my funded futures account, let's see how much I would have made. Right quick, chat. Let's see how much we would have made. Put our take profit up here, and how to set y'all take profit. You can set it as like that's why I like this indicator right here. We got this indicator. I had the Asian highs, and then the London and Asian highs. I was able to set my take profit here and a psychological number. So I could have had my stuff set to, on the psychological side, we could have had it set to like 6,030 and 20,630 pips. But it's cool though. I was like, I'm gonna have my stuff, I think it was like 45 or 50. No, it was 50. I had my stuff at 50, 20,650 on the dot. We're gonna have it like that. That would have accumulated us around like $8,000 to $10,000 if I would have took this trade on my funded futures account. You get what I'm saying? And we would have won. I would have been eating good. I would have passed my funded in one trade today, guys. In one freaking trade. Let's clap it up. Oh, y'all boys can't even see what we looking at. Can y'all? Oh, yes, I can. Okay, I'm not that dumb. But yeah, we would have passed this trade. And we would have beat the funded futures because it's still a regular account. This was like 100 and some pips, 200 and some pips. You get what I'm saying? Like we did very well today, guys. I'm kind of proud of myself for this beautiful, amazing, sexy trade that we took. We also took another trade on ES. I don't know if I told y'all boys or not, but I probably did. Let's see. Yeah, we took a trade on ES. I sold up here, but shoot. The stop profit. Hold on, let's see. Do we keep going? Yep, boom. We had to take profit right there. So yeah, it was too good, amazing. I think I took another one and I got out. It was, I don't know if I lost. I'm pretty sure I won that one too. But great trades today. Main thing that we got, and sorry if it's a mic delay. I really don't feel like going back and editing this. I'm just gonna upload it because I told people I was gonna upload this video today on TikTok. Shout out to the people from TikTok. But main thing I got from today is trusting yourself and trusting your strategy. If you don't trust your strategy, or if you don't trust, you really this is kind of like, this gonna knock some people off. Because everybody come into the game and be like, oh, you need an edge. Oh, before you do this. I don't think you just need an edge. Like an edge is a strategy that you go in with. Yes, you need a strategy. Like, okay, this is what we're going to do. No. But your strategy should be built off of what the market is doing. Because that way it teaches you to follow the trend. If you can follow the trend, and of course the market's going to have reversals and stuff like that. So following the trend isn't always the best thing, in which you should have a strategy that finds reversals or finds the best time for reversals. You get what I'm saying? But if you mainly follow the trend, you will have a way higher win rate than if you are just looking for straight reversals. Because reversals don't just automatically happen in the market. You know what I'm saying? That is just not something you look for. You will have a better chance of winning and just scalping for like 2 to 5 minutes off of a trade going up because you see it going up, then you trying to keep selling and do y'all that. You get what I'm saying? Instead of, it's basically betting if you don't have a strategy or if you don't understand the market structure. You feel me? That's why I say base your strategy. Your strategy should, in my opinion, that's how I do it. I base my strategy and I use my strategy off of what I see in the market going on. You know what I'm saying? Like today, I always use liquidity. Like that's one thing you need, liquidity. But I seen an SMT diversion. I seen a bullish order block. I was like, okay, we are going up. You know what I'm saying? And plus, I seen that we dumped. Like that's why I say you got to understand the market. If you want to get better at trading, you have to trade. It's like if you're playing basketball, my nigga. You get what I'm saying? If I'm hooping, I can't go and expect to be able to hoop with LeBron James or Stephen Curry, nigga. If I can even hoop with D1 athletes. You get what I'm saying? It's just impossible. That is impossible, my nigga. That is dead. You won't be able to win. You not beating that nigga. You get what I'm saying? Which I could probably beat Stephen Curry, LeBron James. You know what I'm saying? It's just true. We're not even finna talk about that. Like I said, I'm a 6'10", light-skinned dreadhead nigga. I just lied to y'all. Only thing that was true is I'm light-skinned and dread. Yeah, today. Great trades. Let's go back over it. Let's break it down one more freaking time for y'all boys, because I did yap a lot here. We're going into it quick. We seen that ES had an SMT, and we swept out lows on ES, and we didn't sweep these lows on NASDAQ. We also seen a pump in ES, so we watched the pairs and we knew it was going to pump up again on NASDAQ. We also noticed that London and Asia had two highs. You know, they had very high orders, and we were down here when we got in. So we knew we was going to come back and try to knock out Asia and London highs. And we also seen this huge bullish order block down here. You get what I'm saying? We also had some more order blocks and stuff like that. But we noticed that order block, boom, had SMT, order block, and liquidity. We're asking to go to the buy side, guys. We're asking to go to the buy side. Boom, we bought in at this blue candle, and we rocket ship. You know what I'm saying? We rocket ship. That was the main thing we got from today. If y'all boys want the indicators, I don't know how to show y'all that. I'm gonna keep it a buck, but I will show y'all boys in a later video. But that is all for this today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you got some well-known information on this breakdown. But money is psychology. You cannot win unless you have the mindset of a winner. God loves y'all boys. I catch y'all boys in another video. Peace out.